Hello all, let me tell you why Python is called as a multi-paradigm language. Python is referred as a multi-support language because it supports multiple programming paradigms, allowing developers to choose the most suitable approach for solving a particular problem. So the user can choose accordingly. A programming paradigm is a way of thinking about and structuring code representing a fundamental style or methodology for designing and implementing the programs. So it is a type of methodology, and Python supports several major programming paradigms, including the first one is the procedure-oriented programming. Yes, the Python supports procedure-oriented programming by allowing developers to write code using step-by-step procedures following a sequential flow of instructions. Like in the POP, it supports structural programming techniques such as functions and using control structures like loops and conditionals. The second language or the second programming paradigm that the Python supports is an object-oriented programming. Python offers extensive support for object-oriented programming, enabling developers to create classes and objects to encapsulate the data and behavior into a single unit. This paradigm promotes code reusability, modularity, and abstraction, making it easier to organize and maintain the large-scale projects. The third paradigm that the Python supports is functional programming. Python incorporates elements of functional programming which treats computation as the evaluation of mathematical functions. Yes, it supports high-order functions, lambda functions, and immutable data structures, facilitating the creation of more concise and declarative code. The fourth paradigm that the Python supports is declarative programming. Python allows developers to express what they want to achieve without specifying how to achieve it. This paradigm is useful for tasks like data querying and transformation, where the focus is on defining relationships and constraints rather than implementing the algorithms. The fifth paradigm that the Python supports is imperative programming. Python also supports imperative programming, where code is written as a series of instructions to be executed in the order they are written. Yes, this is called as imperative programming. This paradigm is useful for tasks that require explicit control, flow, and low-level manipulation of the program state. By having support for multiple paradigms, Python offers flexibility and adaptability, making it a versatile language for various types of projects. Developers can leverage the appropriate paradigm or combine different paradigms to address difficult aspects or different aspects of their code base. This flexibility allows Python to be used in a wide range of applications, from web development to data analysis to scientific computing and machine learning. So it has a wide variety of applications. Moreover, the ability to mix the paradigms promotes code readability, maintainability, reusability, leading it to more efficient and manageable code bases.